In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, Gboard, and finally Text Correction. Now use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it and go back. As you can see, after that mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!